So starting the test drive in this 2026 Tucson SEL, this 2.5 four-cylinder has quite a bit of pickup to it. I really like how quickly it gets up to speed. It does give you that more of a CVT feel, but in a good way. You still feel like you're driving a traditional 8-speed automatic, and that's where that Smart Stream technology comes into play. You have almost like the torque flight in the Chargers, where even as you shift, you're not feeling like you're losing power as you go through the gears. So I really like that about this. But overall, for this to be a small SUV and to have a four-cylinder naturally aspirated engine, it's downright impressive. Now I'm gonna put it in a sport mode here. We're gonna give it a quick pull getting on the interstate. Here we go. Yeah, it's powerful. And again, the way that the vehicle actually gets up to speed is what makes it so cool, because the older Hyundais, especially in sport mode, if you floored it, I know this from firsthand experience, those cars would try to blow their own motors. But here, with this 8-speed and this technology here, it's not trying to redline it. It's just trying to push you almost like a turbocharger would in that sweet spot. Now the lane centering and the adaptive cruise, just showing that off real quick before I get off at this next exit. But a huge thanks to Hyundai of Cool Springs here in Franklin, Tennessee for allowing me to review this Tucson today. I'll leave a link below in the description. But if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But I think for the price point, you're at 34 grand, it's a solid choice. You get so much tech here. You get fuel economy, fuel efficiency, and it's a looker. But it's more of a basic transportation vehicle that just has luxury tendencies. So I love the new screen. I love how this is soft touch where the AC controls are. You still have heated seats. You still have the backup camera, lane centering, adaptive cruise, and you're under $35,000. But it's one of those vehicles as well that's easy to drive, low-key fun to drive, but it's just simple. It's not a big learning curve. I don't feel like it's gonna be an overwhelming drive here, like an overwhelming experience if you're coming from something else. It's just a simple SUV, but again, you've got your CarPlay, Android Auto, your adaptive cruise, your lane centering, all of the tech features and safety features that you expect from a $34,000 SUV in 2026. And you know, that's all you can really ask for this kind of price point. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Hyundai Tucson SEL.